Breathe in the new day.
Very good.
Of reflection, chase the doubts away. Light a spark inside.
Welcome to my Mikasa, not just Mikasa, just my Mikasa.
Love yourself always, shine in your own light. Find peace in your heart, everything's alright. Walk your path with grace, own each moment's space. Confidence your guide, wave goodbyes to lies. Feel the world embrace, harmony in place. Let your soul fly free, just be you, you'll see. Love yourself always.
Look at what we got. Oh, this is a whole lot. Okay, let me open what we got. So we got like 2 key holders, a cute letter. Got this, I think it's like a diffuser, yeah, with the stick. Let me see. Okay, so this fancy cup. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, just a regular teacup. Oh, I keep this here. Another cup. Same. So we're going to do matchy. Cheers. We have this. I think this is tissue. Yeah, this is just wrapped tissue. Then we have minimal eco washing liquid and another hand soap. Then we got torch. What's this? Oh, a USB. Nice. Oh yeah, now come out. It has refused to come out. Anyways, it's a USB. I'm not going to stress myself over it. Then we have this. We have a mini paintbrush set. Tiny paint. Another tiny paintbrush. So now I'm guessing. Yeah. So 2 white cones. Then we have this one. This is countertop cleaner. And then this one, Antico Floor Care Starter Kit. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, it's just some bottles with a spray. I'm not going to bring this out now because it looks well arranged and I'm not sure I can arrange it back to fit. Okay, and then we have the big box. this? Food allergy warning. I don't have any. Ooh, this looks fancy. This is a lot. Okay, let's start with the big giant in the room. This is Merlot, California. Ooh, nice. Then native white flower seeds. Oops. So seeds that I can probably plant in the garden. I think it's sunflower because the design here or the picture here is a sunflower. Let me just put it back here. Hot chocolate, right here, and it says congratulations. I don't know if you can see that. It's a chocolate box. I'm not really a chocolate girl. I can take maybe one or two, but my husband will end up being the one who finished this because he likes it. Then we have gummy bears, Haribo, but this is vegan collection. Oh, not Haribo, sorry, gummy bears. But this is vegan collection, so the healthy version. I didn't know that gummy bears have healthy version. Then we have hand cooked crisp. Oh. Sealed, we're ready to eat here now. We have English breakfast tea, black tea. And then we have sticky toffee luxury biscuit. Last but not the least, we have little coffee bag. I'm guessing these are like coffee bags because that's what the name says. And that's it. That's all I have in here. We also got this like a nice kitchen towel. Stop focusing on me, show the towel. So we got this as well. So this is my new kitchen. Oh my god. Behave yourself, Victoria, behave yourself. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You guys should expect a lot of food content. I'm now a food content creator. I've added that to my list because this kitchen cannot waste. I'm going to be giving you guys different recipes back to back to back. Prepare to be sick of me. I didn't bring my tripod stand, so just thinking, where can I put this now? Kitchen has to be my favorite part of this house. I love the fact that it has so many cabinet spaces, so I can work with that. Ooh, now I feel dizzy.